Hi there, I just want to talk to you for a few minutes today about Popplet, or maybe more specifically, Popplet Lite. This is what it looks like in the App Store. You can go a long way just here on this free version, and then of course you have the option of the paid version as well. This is what it looks like when you're trying to find it. Let's see what that looks like when you open the app. This is a really great brainstorming or mind mapping app. I would direct you to the upper right corner where you see that question mark, because that's going to open a really helpful screen for you that's going to explain the terminology and how to add the little boxes to what they call a poplet. Remember, they're using the term popple, kind of synonymous with bubble, maybe how I would use the term bubble. So you're going to add multiple popples to your whole canvas, which is called a poplet. I must confess, even though this is a very frequently used and well-reviewed app, I'm a pretty late adopter of it. I haven't always used it in the classroom and only really began mentioning it to teachers this summer in some of my previous trainings. But I definitely like it, and like anything that saves to the camera roll, can be smashed into a lot of other apps. So remember that question mark in the upper right hand corner. But we're ready to return back. Whoops, we're ready to return back to that main screen. Return to my Popplet. Okay, I accidentally hit the wrong button. And you basically have a blank canvas here, but what you want to keep doing is just adding these little bubbles, or what they would call popples. You use those little black arrows to drag them bigger or smaller, and then of course you can change color here. You have all kinds of things you can see from those options. You can draw, or handwrite, or type, or add a photo. And then when you're ready to make new ones and connect them, then of course you're just webbing and mapping all the way throughout. Okay, so I could write my main topic really big on one, and then make the rest of the connecting ones smaller. But here's the best part, and this is what I mentioned a minute ago. You can save it to your camera roll. So what I'm always interested in is this save JPEG feature, because it's going to just save it right to your camera roll. And then the sky's the limit as far as what other apps you can open it in. Obviously, you can see here you can email it in a couple different formats, but here this version is the one that then you could open in ThingLink or Telegami or PicCollage or Canvas, or any app that's going to let you upload a photo from the camera roll. So I think the sky's the limit there. And even though the light version is only going to let you create one, you can always save your JPEG of your finished product, and then you can clear everything and start over. Okay, so you can go a long way just on the free version as long as you're saving to the camera roll. Hope you learned something new today. Thanks.